Today is day 5, and I found inspiration yesterday, but I just don't have anything else to say today, and oh my god, I have Alright, so these crazy ladies are here, and they're...
I'm on the other side, that's weird. Sorry. So I should point that out.
Expecting
it. Hey, I was scared.
What did I say?
It's weird.
Okay, so today was a good day because it was the last day of
making a snowman.
What?
We're making a snowman.
Shut up! I'm trying to make a video here.
Okay, whatever.
So today was a good day because it was day 4 of a 4-day week, which means it's the weekend, which means it's party time. Are you sticking your tongue out?
No.
Smelled your hair, gross. Smelled your hair, gross.
So,
later we're going to make videos. Oh, we're already making a video. Later, we're going to make Oreos. We're gonna make Oreo brownies later.
The amazing Oreo brownies. Deliciousness. You can kind of see an Oreo in there. So yeah, super, super cool.
And Andrew gets one. I googled hi, I'm a cockroach today.
Did they come up first? Please tell me it came up first.
Yep.
You should still subscribe to my channel.
Why are you waving like that?
Nobody can see you. This is
You're
ending.
I think we should just like make a bunch of random noises.
Where is it?
I don't know where it is. Oh no! Oh,